All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 with 14,000 miles on this vehicle. Black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick, your front bumper. Looks pretty decent. Does seem to have a little dent of some sort here. Your hood does have a dent, 10 or more inches of paint off. You can see it here. Looks like something must have happened here. Might have picked it up against something. I don't know, but it's a dent there, paint off. That's what it looks like. From fender here, looks pretty good. From passenger rim, from driver's rim, I apologize. Very nice. Tire thread is over 830 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. So is this one. Here we do have a chip or a heavy scratch or something, about 3 inches. This has got your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on. It's a driver's steel wheel. Doesn't matter, curbed or not. Tire thread is over 730 seconds there. You have power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a vinyl seat. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your cup holders there. Very nice. Turn on the lights here. All right, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 14,485. 14,485. Looks good. Keep it moving. Coming around. Your rear bumper looks pretty decent. Seems to have a little thingy here. Boom. This door swing out. As you can see, this door is beat up there. Boom. Boom, very nice. This is your front, the other door. Boom. It is beat up there as well. All right, this one here is a little beat up, as I said. But door closes, looks good. Interior, did I show the interior? Well, let's look at it now. Very nice. These wheel wells do have a dent there. And this one, a little scuffed up, but I don't see any major dents. Very nice. And I mentioned this one was messed up, but other than that, we look good. Lights are working up top. This looks okay. Does have a dent here, 3, 6, about 9 inches. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is over 730 seconds. Door quarter, the moldings has a little scuffing there. That's about it. Let me get my ladder. Look to see what's going on over here. And I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Boom. All right. Coming around, the sliding door looks pretty good. Does have a little ding here, about 3 to 4 inches. So it looks good. This is your side compartment, what that looks like. Very nice. Boom. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Hey, tire thread is over 730 seconds. Let me double check. Actually, under 730 seconds. Lights are working on top. All lights are working. Car is looking fantabulous. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 14,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.